In this video, you will learn basic information about Ceramic Pro products. You will see how the Ceramic Pro application team is creating a flawless glass shield of protection. To start, we are applying Nano Primer, which polishes the surface, removing swirl marks, and provides better bonding between clear coat and Ceramic Pro products. Once applied to the car, it creates a layer of permanent protection for your car's paint. The only way to remove the coating is through wet sanding or heavy compounding. We can therefore give our clients a lifetime warranty. Ceramic Pro 9H creates a 3D matrix structure, allowing our product to be truly multi-layerable. Coating thickness will be increased by each additional layer. Ceramic Pro forms a super slick hydrophobic surface that prevents dirt, tar, brake dust, and bird droppings from adhering to the surface of the vehicle. We are now using Ceramic Pro Light as the top coat for Ceramic Pro 9H, which is a very good combination to get a high gloss effect and deep color tone. Ceramic Pro Light is a protective coating with a durability of up to 24 months that features a high gloss finish, superior super hydrophobic effect, chemical resistance, UV resistance, thermal resistance. Plastic and rubber surfaces coated with Ceramic Pro plastic will feature a super hydrophobic effect with excellent wear resistance. The coating will add a moderate sheen to the substrate, making it a great permanent dressing for both exterior and exterior plastics, whether they are new or need a little restoring. You can also apply Ceramic Pro 9H for the best performance on plastic protection. Ceramic Pro Textile is a fully inorganic textile coating which comes from the high-tech industry of the photoelectron semiconductor. Ceramic Pro Rain is specifically designed for glass. It will keep the glass cleaner longer, as dirt and grime will no longer stick to your windows. Ceramic Pro Leather is a true protective coating for all leather surfaces. Leather surfaces coated with Ceramic Pro Leather will stay cleaner longer, reducing dirt and grime from becoming ingrained in the leather surface. Any liquid spill will simply bead up on the surface and can be easily wiped away without affecting the leather substrate. Ceramic Pro is a new product and a game changer in the automotive industry. Join the Ceramic Pro movement and get your car not only looking amazing, but also protected. This video made by Detailing Center Liberec from Team Ceramic Pro Poland.